You ready?
Yep.
We are ready now. All right. Fastest way to defrost a heat pump. Common question. Here we go. This is American Veteran way. Think we got it? Oh, we left a bit. Yeah, we're done. There you go. Give us a call. We'll take care of your, well, we'll even defrost your windshield for you. Love y'all. Had Russ defrosting the heat pump.
Ethan ain't played with it yet. He's been wanting to play with it.
Hey, look, if y'all are looking for more tips, we're always looking for your feedback and we want to answer your questions, and we will on a regular basis on our YouTube channel. So subscribe right here to our YouTube channel, not here, here to our YouTube channel. And we'll try to make sure we take care of all the questions and answer them efficiently for you. Y'all take care. God bless.